Okay, this is out of the freezer, so we're just going to pop this out. Pulled it out. So there's my pine cone, and there's my mold. There's a little bit of chocolate in the mold. And there's my pine cone. Isn't he cute? And so we'll just arrange that in a minute. I have a couple more. You see, I'm not limited to making just one mold. I can make a whole bunch of molds. So I made several molds of my pine cones. And I just push from the bottom and pop them out. There. So we got a whole bunch of pine cones. And what I was going to do with one of these is I can actually take it and cut it in half. Actually, I would slice it in half. Nope, it's a little frozen. Guess I may need to wait for it to thaw out. Whoop. Wow. And I can put half a pine cone on. Let's cut the bottom off too. There we go. I can put half a pine cone onto my, oh, they're pretty half, along with my real pine cone, my whole pine cone. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead. I'm going to pop the bottom off this. You can use the scissors and cut it if you want. So he sits. Nice. And of course you can keep reusing these over and over again. We'll make a couple more and put them on. Reuse our mold. Now, if you don't want to make these, or you can't find pine cones, you can buy a mold. I got this mold is from Diane Grunberg. It's I can't remember Avenue's Sweet Choices, and there's another name. Gosh, there's another name for it, but it's Avenue's Sweet Choices is the name of the website. And as you can see, she has pine cones in here and a berry and a nut in here, so you can actually buy a mold if you don't want to make your own. So that's always an option if you can't find pine cones or if you just don't have access to the putty. Okay, so let's make some more. Those are actually attached.